Hi, this is Wendy at Holy Scrap. So today's project was this door. This is the front door to our place. And these panels are from 2 shipping containers we have inside. They were the cutaways to make our doors. So now they're a door. So this whole door was rusting away and I was worried about it. So today I sanded down the 4 panels and all the details, and I painted it with a good paint, and I did the metal areas that I left exposed with Rust-Oleum. And basically it's all pretty much angle iron and scrap, and here's some really great scrap metal thrown in there, rocks at the bottom. But it's a killer trash door. We're quite happy with it. Okay.